Hi, welcome in everyone. Hi, Anna. My name is Miss Zambia or Miss Z, whatever you feel comfortable calling me. Come on in and have a seat. Make yourself feel comfortable. Okay. All right. I did speak to you briefly on the phone, Anna. It's finally nice to finally get a chance to meet you. Is this your husband? Okay. And your name is? All right, John. Okay, John. And what do you do for a living? Okay. All right. That's nice to know. Sorry to hear that. Yeah. Okay, and you are Jonathan? Okay, Jonathan, and how old are you? 17? Okay. Nice to meet you, Jonathan. And what do you like to do for fun? Basketball? Okay. All right. And you are Sarah. All right, Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. And how old are you? 14? Okay. And what do you like to do for fun, Sarah? It's got to be something you like to do for fun. Listening to music, drawing, taking walks in the park, sitting by the water. Okay. Yeah, I like sitting by the water too. It's nice and peaceful and calming. All right. Well, welcome in, everyone. We're here today just to get to know one another and just kind of figure out what's going on. And, I just want everybody to feel free to express yourself and feel under no pressure of judgment or anything like that. We're just here to just express our feelings, for you guys to express your feelings to one another so we can try to get the family back reunified and on a peaceful, positive note. So today we'll have about 45 minutes to do that. And like I said, just feel free to express yourself. Um, and we'll just take it from there. Does anybody have any questions, concerns? No? Okay. All right. So what brings you guys here today? Mm, mm. Okay, I'm so sorry to hear that. Okay. All right. We don't want to do any name callings or anything like that because, like I said, we're here to express ourselves to one another. So maybe we just explain how another person's actions are making us feel. That would give them a better understanding of maybe how they could change how they're responding to what you're doing. Because blaming one another and calling names is not going to solve anything. It's just going to escalate your own levels of anxiety and stress. And we're trying to alleviate some of that and bring some reunification within the family. Okay, so as you're stating that, what is something that you could possibly change that would help you deal better with what is actually happening within the family? Okay. So it's making you sad, okay, when Sarah's doing these things to the family. Okay, that's understandable. I would be sad too. So why don't you think about how Sarah might be feeling to what's making her do these things or want to hurt herself? Okay, all right. And Sarah, what is making you feel sad or not wanting to be involved with the family or not wanting to live anymore? Okay. So if mom and dad could communicate better, that would help you feel better? Okay. Not as much arguing and yelling in front of you and your brother? Okay. Okay, well, I thank you for your honesty, and that's something that we can continue to work on. Right now, how are you feeling? Are you still feeling like you want to be a part of the family? Okay. Well, that's good to know. So your 4 days of treatment did help you. So you are feeling like life is going to improve for you. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So mom and dad, as you can see, both of your children are stating that their source of stress is coming from you guys' conflict that you're having. And as I'm hearing from the two of you as well, mom, you would like it if dad would take on a little bit more responsibility because he has more time at home. Okay. So, dad, do you think that that's something that you can work on taking on a couple of household duties for mom to alleviate some of the stress for her? Okay. Okay. So, you say you like to cook, so maybe you can go grocery shopping and cooking for the family. Okay. And then maybe you can involve the kids in the cleanup as well as the cooking. Okay. All right, mom, does that sound like something that would work for you? Okay. So we have our next group session within the next 2 weeks. However, if Sarah, you do start to feel these feelings of hopeless and worthlessness, just please let your mom and dad know what's going on, or please feel free to call us and we'll be right there to help you. Okay. Well, again, family, I'm so glad that you came in to see me today. And I just hope that we can continue to work together with one another to bring some unification and some peace back into the family. All right. See you in a couple weeks. Thank you. Bye bye.